Okay. Going to Sikeston for the Pro Stock race. Pro Stock truck race. Memorial Day weekend 20 years ago.
That's probably a lot of it.
15 gallon on Friday and probably looks like 10 today.
You mean Saturday?
No, Friday.
Friday you put it up?
Friday.
I wonder why.
He got the opinion that work
Talking about Ray spraying the track the day before the race.
That long car I followed up, there were 3 of them black guys.
At that time of the year, you had insects that you can never forget.
They got Missouri plates on. They're going north, so I don't know where the hell they come from.
Getting trapped in the glue.
Yeah. Well, I didn't realize you had a $5,000 bracket race today, too. So, that'll pull them out of the woodwork.
I don't think anybody else is running today.
Other than Jackson, and it's all heads up shit, so if you ain't a heads up car. Boy, the little cotton stuff is really in the air.
Gets trapped in the VHT too.
Hunk of chunk. Tony goes to work first time. Hey, he's great at picking shit up.
Let's blow through this and la da 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 da. I didn't realize this was this long. There's a shutdown area. A good place to crash.
Yeah, Wednesday was tough. County first responders. We got a tent set up here. They're going to weigh the trucks. Up and down. Yeah, but what a weekend. Well, you can carry it up there. The Dragsters are warming up. Got Junior Dragsters are still warming up. There's the ugliest thing I've seen today.
Mike Jett, IT expert.
Oh, yeah, that's a better view. Oh, God. Was the Extreme Chevrolet Haas's truck? Oh, okay.
It was supposed to be an 8-car field for this Pro Stock truck deal, and it turned out to be 6 cars, and Ray Poyer, the track owner, had one of the cars. And they gave away $18,000 that weekend, which I really thought was an odd number. But they put on a hell of a show. 490s all day long after they got lined out. This was Saturday, Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, a few drivers are up here checking out the traction situation. wrong teammate called.
Ray Boyer and Tana. Oh, baby, Tana.
Something 63, 100 and something miles an hour.
Oops. Oops. Okay, who forgot the hood pins? No brakes on the Roadster. No front brakes. Hey, that's Killer Miller and Tyler Miller driving.
a 527.
Seventh lap. Anna.
You're looking good, kid.
Thompson. Thomas. They were parking them over in the pits back then.
What's your first one now? 852 and a 920 something on the left lane.
Roger. Ryan Self, a familiar name in drag racing. Tanya. She's a familiar name in Sikeston drag racing.
You guys need a cannon like the NHRA boys play. Shoot them, knock people off the back.
Ray Poyer. Man that put the show on.
T-shirts, throw away. 2, 4.
It was an 8-car show and 6 cars showed up. For 18 grand.
Introducing to everybody. I forgot what his last name is. He told me just call me Bob. So Bob is going to with the Pro Stock trucks, and he'll come up here just a little bit and do some announcing for you. How about right now? That work? Hi everybody, welcome to Sikeston and welcome to Sikeston Dragons. We're going to have a little bit of fun today. Got some Pro Stock trucks for you. If you've never had the opportunity to see the truck, let me just give you a little synopsis of it. Small block engines, maximum displacement 358 cubic inches, 2,300 pounds with the drivers on board, and these puppies can fly. We're talking trucks that cover the quarter mile in the range of 7.4 to 7.5 seconds at 180 miles an hour. So we've got some pretty good riders coming up. Right now we're going to have a little driver introduction down on the starting line. Brian Self coming up. He's a sound reporter, engine builder out of Houston, Texas. One of the quickest trucks ever for the Pro Stock truck run. In testing earlier this year, he was down in the 7.40 range. One of the quickest laps ever. Ladies and gentlemen, over there on the spectator side right now, Houston, Texas, Brian Self. They call him Rock. Coming up next in his competition in the first round, Jeff Nizer Racing Components out of Houston, Texas. Chevrolet S10. Jeff has been in the program for a while and showing some pretty strong numbers and pretty strong performance. Fellow t-shirt costs that we're giving everybody here. We're going to do it again tomorrow afternoon when we do get into elimination. What we're going to do is qualify today. Nice toss, Jeff. Sign you up for the Dallas Cowboys, huh? Okay. Jeff will be up against Brian and their Chevrolet S10s out of Texas. Next up, Ruben Saladon. Ruben out of Edinburgh, Texas. Down there in Coleman Valley. Ruben, yeah, everybody here knows Ruben. I don't have to say it.
Range truck.
Ruben's got a t-shirt he's going to throw into the crowd as well. Ruben's going for distance. You got to make the fence, Ruben. Pull easy, pull easy, pull easy. We'll get it. Now over to the other side, we're going to be up in the Solano Roofing Chevrolet S10 coming up in just a little bit. Stop. Chevrolet S10, Jose. Having a truck that got unfortunately destroyed down in Houston, Texas earlier this year, so a brand new truck out on the racetrack. Jose here this weekend, have a little bit of fun with the truck, put on a pretty good show for you. Ladies and gentlemen,
Lord, I miss Pro Stock Truck. I wish they just given them unlimited power, turbos, nitrous, superchargers, and that was a fun class.
Patterson will be coming up just a little bit later on in his red Dodge Dakota. And his competition, none other than another Texan, young Steven Farr out of Texas, at the wheel of the Jerry Haas chassis Chevrolet S10. Steven making his first couple of races earlier this year, qualifying for the very tough Pro Stock Truck Field down in Atlanta, Georgia, just a couple of weeks ago. So there's our drivers. We're going to ask the drivers to go ahead and get back in the trucks and get suited up. Show the drivers exactly how the tree was. Just a little bit different than what we're used to on the NHRA National Event Tour. But I tell you what, this is a rare treat for you all. One of the rare
Indeed, one of 5 appearances.
Make a show anywhere that on the NHRA National Event Tour, and we're doing it for you all right here in Sikeston, Missouri. Don't forget, all the drivers have t-shirts for sale over.
Oh, I was on a ladder. That's a rare shot. Who is it? Boy, that's a race. That was the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, side by side. One of the best races I ever saw. Ray Poyer and Sikeston Dragster sponsored that track, or that truck. Whole shot, baby. This is qualifying. Haas. Sponsored truck. Stephen Farr driving. This is qualifying now. No parachute on that pass. People standing on the end of the track behind the guardrail.
Air box that controls the airflow coming in from the grill insert. You notice that these trucks do not carry any type of a hood scoop. It is all air induction through the grill, much like the stock Chevrolet S10 that you drive on the street every day.
Not hardly.
Killer Miller? You see him anywhere? Get the picture so everybody knows you're still alive.
This one's sitting in the cockpit. Looks like they're going to see what they can do to get this minor problem taken care of without any much more of a delay. Okay, Stephen Farr down the racetrack to do his qualifying lap in. Those buttons, I'll fire Stephen back up. Good youngster out of Texas, ready to go down the racetrack. Jerry Haas race car, Chevrolet S10. Come on over to see truck if you want. Just walk around behind that water coming out. These guys are a lot of nice guys. Tell you what, you want to talk about nice guys? You don't talk about too much guys and guys.
Tony Gatewood on the button. Get it. Oh, that guy was late. That guy was late on that button. Late parachute too. Okay, that's the end of part 1. Come back tomorrow Sunday and see part 2.